This video will explain the relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning using a simple school analogy. For artificial intelligence, the school analogy is teacher's goal, which is make a student smart. The explanation is AI is the big idea of making machines intelligent, just like teacher wants a student to be knowledgeable. For machine learning, the school analogy is student learns by solving practice problems. The explanation is machine learning is when the student learns from examples instead of memorizing rules. More practice, better learning. For deep learning, the school analogy is super student with a powerful brain. The explanation is deep learning is like a student with a super brain with many layers who can solve very complex problems like recognizing faces, understanding speech, or driving a car. Now we will see quick visualization summary. A is equal to teacher's goal. Make a student smart. Machine learning is equal to normal student. Learn step by step from practice. Deep learning is equal to genius student. Has an advanced brain and can handle very complex tasks easily. In short, A is the dream, machine learning is the method, and deep learning is the advanced version of that method.